So guys, I'm coming today with the basics of checking into Pokemon TCG kinda box unboxing, so kinda packing unboxing. So I got the Pokemon TCG 36 EX Mega Card unboxing. So we got 36 EX Mega Card inside here. So very excited for that. We got the kinda SY policy. Let's see 36 Meg EX card, so that is pretty cool because this all didn't have any common card. It's all EX, so I gonna spin this round and see. Look, there's some missing. Oh wait, okay, let's see. Gonna put it here. So let's start at the back. So there is 36 as you can tell. So let's see. First we got let me try to focus on. First we got Rayquaza EX, Female Kyogre EX, so looking quite nice. Yeah, all of these are EX, so pretty cool. Mega Gengar EX, Mega Gardevoir EX, I think what it's called. Mega Galette EX, gonna try to okay. Mega Charizard EX, so pretty cool. Charizard is one of my favorite Pokemon. Ooh, Mega Diancie EX, I think that's what you call. Mega Heracross EX, okay, quite nice. Mega Kangaskhan EX, so yes, Mega Venusaur EX, so Venusaur is also one of my favorite Pokemon. We got Mega Lucario EX, Mega Metagross EX, so looking quite nice. Like I say, all of these are EX, so pretty cool. We got Mega Blastoise EX, Mega Mantric EX, Mega Aggron EX, so far no double. Got Mega Charizard EX, but yeah, the different one, so pretty cool. Primal Golden EX, yeah, the first Pokemon that I know is Primal Golden, so that is the first Pokemon that I just know. Mega Blastoise EX, but in different position. Can you see it? It's pretty cool. Mega Charizard EX and also in different pose. Mega Swampert EX, Mega Gyarados EX, Mega, what is this? Gardevoir again EX, but in different position. Can you see that? Mega Slowbro EX, Mega Mewtwo EX, so cool. Mega Alakazam EX, Mega Pidgeot EX, so pretty cool. Mega Gardevoir EX, so I have 3 Gardevoir but in different position. Mega Mewtwo again EX, but in different position. Mega Gyarados again, but also in different position. Mega Scizor EX, Mega Pidgeot EX in different position. Sorry, different pose. Mega Rayquaza EX, also in different pose. Mega Ampharos EX, we got 3 more to go. Mega Altaria EX, Mega Ampharos EX, and the last one is Mega Latios EX. So yeah, this is all of them is 36. So I can yes, some double can say that, but in the different poses. So there is some same Pokemon but in different poses, so this is pretty cool, and the holo is also pretty nice. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Is all 36 mega card. Can you see that? I really like this a lot, man. It's just pretty cool. So I'm going to keep all of them. So yeah, that's it. Okay, to play videos, can consider to see some more Pokemon TCG kind of, you know, maybe I have some Pokemon TCG box or unboxing. I will do package of package and maybe something related about Pokemon TCG. I'm going to do it, and goodbye.